Welcome to our journey into the heart of tranquility, where the warmth of the tropics meets the comfort of home. Today, we invite you to step into the serene oasis of a cozy interior tropical house. Nestled amidst swaying palm trees and vibrant foliage, this tropical abode is a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. The living room serves as the epitome of coziness, with plush sofas adorned with cushions in earthy tones, inviting you to sink in and unwind. Large windows flood the space with natural light, seamlessly blending the indoors with the lush greenery outdoors. Every corner of this interior reflects the beauty of the tropics. From handcrafted rattan furniture to intricately woven textiles, each piece exudes warmth and authenticity, creating a harmonious blend of comfort and style. In the bedroom, the ambience is one of serenity and peace. Crisp white linens contrast with the rich wooden accents, while sheer curtains gently billow in the breeze, evoking a sense of airy sophistication. The kitchen is a culinary haven, where natural materials and modern design come together seamlessly. Sleek countertops harmonize with rustic wooden cabinets, creating a space that is both functional and inviting. step outside onto the expansive terrace, where you're greeted by the soothing melody of birdsong. Here, amidst lush greenery and blooming flowers, you can unwind in a hammock or sip on a refreshing beverage as you bask in the warmth of the tropical sun. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the landscape, we bid farewell to this idyllic retreat. May its tranquility and beauty inspire you to create your own slice of paradise, wherever you may be. Thank you for watching this video.